back. I'm going to record a new video for you, and that is the video about means how you can start speaking and what you should do to improve your speaking. So let's talk about that. Ways to improve the English speaking. Okay, so first of all, I must tell you a point. Means when you speak, the first thing is that you should try to speak step by step. Don't try to be an expert from the beginning. Okay, so take it step by step. Okay, let's make it little bigger here. Okay, so take it step by step. Means suppose you have known yes, means actually you have to take it step by step. Don't try to be an expert. Like suppose if I ask someone like how are you, then this is a simple sentence, how are you? Then he says I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too, thank you. Or some more phrases you can take, like excuse me, I'm looking for Mr. X, like that. So means you have to go through simple phrases and try to use simple phrases in your speaking. So that will help you to improve your speaking, right? And now you can say I'd like to have a cup of tea, like that. Okay, so let's take next step. And don't try to speak too much. Okay, again I have to make it bigger. Don't say too much. Means if you in the beginning, if you try to speak too much, then definitely you may commit some mistakes. So it is better to use simple and short sentences. Okay, then next point is very important. As you know it very well, practice makes a man perfect. That you know it. And practice makes a man perfect. Means the more you speak, the better you can speak, and the more fluent you can be. So try to speak English with your friends, with your teachers, or try to make a group of people who really want to improve English, so you can talk to one another. That's the way. Okay, and next point is, as I have already told you, then try to keep it very simple and short sentences. Don't try to make the sentences bigger and complex. Okay, like suppose this is a pen and I want to speak about it. Then simple I should say. I can use simple sentences and short sentences, like it's a pen. It's a pen. It's my favorite pen. It's my favorite pen. I keep it with me always. I keep it with me always. It's a new pen, or it's an old pen. I got that pen 5 years back, but I keep it with me. I like it very much. It's a lucky pen for me. So you see, I have made many sentences, but these are very simple and short sentences. So try to speak it that. in that way. Me take it step by step. Don't say too much. Practice makes a man perfect. The more you speak, the better you speak. Keep it simple, short, right? Next is, let's talk about next. Use every way you can communicate. Means, don't try. Suppose if you want to learn English, then you must use every possible way to communicate in English. Means don't try to express your ideas or your views in your own mother tongue. You have to be very determined for that. If you want to learn English, try to use all possible way to communicate in English. Suppose you are in a train and you are feeling hot, or you are in a bus, you are feeling hot and you want to speak in English, you want to open the window. But suppose if you don't have that word in your mind that time, then you simply can say like, can I open that? I'm feeling hot. Means, so suppose you want to have something like you are feeling thirsty and you want to have water. You can simply say, water please, a glass of water please. If you can't say like that, may I have a glass of water, or can I have a glass of water, you can simply say, a glass of water please. So try to use every possible way to communicate. Okay. And next is record yourself. Means if it is possible, try to record your voice and listen to it. That is always a very, very good idea to listen to yourself. You come to know how you speak, how you express the sentences, words, and where you commit mistakes. So that will help you to come over your mistakes. So that you may do. Okay. And next is never give up. Don't give up. Definitely you may take some time to learn or to be fluent, but it is advisable not to give up. Means keep practicing and keep learning without giving it up. Right? And next and very important point is accept help from others. Means don't feel shy if you need to take help from others. If they know better than you, then there is nothing wrong if any kind of help is taken from them. So don't hesitate to take help from others. Okay, that will help you